Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the work area safe and accessible. Remove the console tray and unscrew visible fasteners with a T20 or 7mm socket. This gives you access to the hinge and latch hardware. Once done, disconnect the 12-volt power or any accessory plugs so you don't short anything. Use a trim tool to carefully pry up plastic trim. This avoids cracking factory clips. Doing these first actions prevents damage and reveals the parts you'll be replacing. You'll now remove the lid assembly itself. Support it with one hand and remove the hinge screws so it won't fall. Once loosened, unclip the latch cable and any plastic retaining clips that secure the lid to the console. This helps you free the entire assembly cleanly. Inspect hinge bushings and the latch mechanism for wear. Replacing those now avoids future sag. Make sure to keep fasteners in order so reassembly follows the factory pattern. You're finishing by aligning the replacement lid on the hinge studs and installing screws loosely so you can fine-tune alignment. Once aligned, cycle the lid several times to seat the latch and confirm smooth motion. Then torque screws snugly. Don't over-tighten plastic threads. Reconnect the 12-volt plug and any accessories, replace the tray, and test under load by placing items inside. If the lid binds or won't latch, adjust the cable tension or slide.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.